This is a Panelview Plus 1250. Today, we want to demonstrate the damage that corrosion from liquids can cause these screens. We've already disassembled this screen, so we're going to go ahead and take off the front bezel and get it out of our way. As you can see, the water spots all on the inner portion of this touchscreen. You can actually see the drips here are going through the touchscreen and again on the LCD inside. Now, in the electronic components, again we see these drips here, and they are white in color. They're probably some sort of soap or wash down, right? So that is why it's very important that wash down bagging measures are taken into effect when these screens are around areas, especially in food processing, where there is a lot of water, a lot of wash down occurring. So you can see there is all this corrosion. We are going to go ahead and get down to the components. You can see on these components the little white residue where corrosion has occurred. And you can actually see here it has created a short between these two pins. And our main issue is over here on the backlight inverter. This section here is responsible for powering the backlight of the LCD itself, so it can illuminate and show you an image. It has all this corrosion. The washdown actually created a dead short here, and there was a spark, and this whole section is not functioning. So we will repair this board, replace the LCD, and get this screen back to functionality. Alright, now we have our circuit board fixed, and our test logic module installed, and a new LCD installed, and do our run test. We will go ahead and apply our 24-volt power and get everything hooked up. Now we are going to go ahead and apply our power. And we have a good screen. We will go through the entire boot up process, test the touchscreen, and this unit will be able to be shipped out to the customer. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.